Hi, I'm Feroz Khan from Feroz Visa Consultancy, and recently I got the news that a very kind friend from Britain and Australia has come here to revert to Islam in our own local mosque. And I just had the pleasure of meeting him, and we had a little discussion, a little meal together. I'm just going to ask him a few questions about his experience, and so that we can share with you. Hi, could you remind me of your English name?
Okay, my English name, Michael Anthony Newbury.
Michael Anthony Newbury.
That's correct.
Okay, so that was your name, and now your Muslim name is?
It's Usman Malik.
Usman Malik. So Mr. Usman Malik is here at the Feroz Visa Consultancy Bara Bandai Swat office. And so tell me a little bit about your experience. How did you become so curious about religion in general and then in Islam?
Well, formally I was not particularly interested in religion as such.
Yes.
I was born a Christian, but I didn't usually go to church apart from weddings, christenings, funerals.
Yes.
But really and truly, during my life, I was not particularly interested in religion as such.
Okay.
Although I considered myself a Christian, but I didn't really do anything
Yes.
connected to Christianity.
Yes.
Yes.
And how did you come to be friends with our Pakistani friend here?
Well, Ijaz and I had a chance meeting, and we saw each a year ago,
Yes.
last April, and we saw each other multiple times, and friendships either happen or they don't happen.
Exactly.
It was not.
Pretty natural.
It was really unusual because I've travelled to many countries
Yes.
in the West and in the Middle East and Far East.
Yes.
And generally speaking, you can be friendly with people,
Yes.
and you can have a pleasant evening with people. But I think friendship, it's just it's chemistry. It could be humour. It's a combination of things.
Yes.
That sometimes you bond with people,
Exactly.
and if it's mutual,
Yes.
then it's wonderful.
Exactly.
And we've had constant contact. This is my 4th visit to
Yes.
Pakistan, and we've had constant contact daily
Yes.
since last year, even more than one time a day. So,
Amazing.
and with regards to religion
Yes.
or our Islamic
Yes.
religion, we've had discussions about it. And being in Pakistan, it's a republic of Pakistan. It's an Islamic republic.
Yes.
So everything is Islam.
Yes.
The food is halal.
Culture and religion are pretty intertwined.
It's very much the same, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
If you do the wrong thing by religion, you're actually doing the wrong thing by law.
By law. Yes.
So we've had many discussions about Islam.
Yes.
I needed time to consider it.
Yes.
I didn't sort of say, oh, that'll be. No, I had to have time.
Yes.
And so we've had meetings and we've had discussions. I've thought about it.
Yes.
And then I've been here a week and a half. And I decided this is what I wanted to be.
Exactly.
What I wanted to do.
Awesome, amazing.
Yes.
And since we are in a consultancy background, and we are mostly concerned with travel, whether it is for study and education or whether it is for work in higher pay, better careers, whatever,
Yes.
I assume that experiencing other religions and cultures, things like that can be achieved through travel, and travel kind of facilitates
It can.
that experience.
But having said that, you really don't have a great experience of Islam until you're with
Yes.
people
Yes.
and see from my own experience, seeing what happens within a mosque,
Yes.
seeing what happens amongst
Yes.
Muslim people,
Yes.
and the interaction and the connection.
Yes.
It's one big community.
Yes.
And everyone cares for everybody else, which I think is quite beautiful.
Exactly. There is a lot of Islamophobia going on.
There
around
is
the
a
world.
lot. There's a lot throughout Western Europe.
Yes.
Britain
Yes.
is, well, I won't say all. but it's always been one of. There's a lot of Islamophobia in Europe.
Yes.
But then there is in most Western countries.
Yes.
But I have to say, at the same time, a lot of the Western media extort. They don't show the true picture.
Yes.
They have an agenda, and they want, like, people, when I came here for the first time, what do you want to go there for?
Yes.
It's dangerous, it's this, it's that.
Yes.
And then I came here. Potentially there is danger, potentially.
Potentially, yes.
But there can be in other countries.
Exactly.
But having said that, people look after each other.
What are
hospitality.
Yes, what are the few qualities that you have found in Pakistan?
Well, number one, hospitality.
Hospitality, yes.
Openness. I mean, I know that I am a foreigner, and people see a foreigner,
yes.
But people want to say hello, people want to meet you, to shake your hands,
yes.
and that sort of thing.
Yes.
Whereas I could be in Western Europe,
yes.
And I'm now, if you're not young,
yes.
I could be invisible because there's no connection. People can walk past, you can see somebody and you know they've seen you walking along the street, and nobody even glances. It's as if, hang on, do I exist? Am I real?
Yes.
Whereas here, it's not the same. It's completely opposite.
And in the Western culture, as far as I know, people believe too much in rational thought and cognitive thinking, and therefore, if I have enough information about a religion, that makes me like I understand the religion completely.
Yes.
But there's certainly a big difference between lived experience
Yes.
and information.
Yes.
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 And could you talk a little bit about, because it is psychological term, lived experience and information as well. So how is it different from what people visualize the religion to be and Pakistan to be and what it really is?
Well, are you asking me what is the perception of Islam from a Western point of view?
Yes, and how does that perception change when you actually experience it?
I think because there is a lack of information.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people, they don't even want the information, they are closed. So certainly experiencing firsthand and seeing, I am, let's say, a tourist, but now I don't feel a tourist, I feel part of this community.
Yes.
And so being like going to people's homes,
yes.
and seeing how people live and how they react to, now I'm Muslim, but even when I wasn't,
yes.
just the hospitality and the kindness and the care, and
exactly.
But people don't have that information.
Yes.
I know you can see it on social media,
yes.
but some people, well, they dismiss it anyway. They're not interested. So
yes.
if you're not interested, you never learn.
Exactly. Not to drag the conversation too long, I'm sure if we keep talking about 12 hours, this will not finish. But we have to take care of the schedule and the routine. So we are going to finish it here. But maybe, hopefully, we can do this sometime again. This is Feroz Visa Consultancy. I'm Feroz Khan, and here is my Muslim brother. So maybe we will see you again. Keep in touch, and we can do more videos like this for you. Thank you.